literally no words. I'm so happy. Look at this. This is like zero money, 5 minutes of work, and so good results. I love it, love it, love it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been seeing this sock hair curling tutorial on social media a lot, and I wanted to try it out myself. As you guys know, if you have been following me for a while, I have straight hair. Even if you curl it, it'll get straight after like 5-10 minutes. That's how usually when I go for shoots and all, when they curl my hair, after like 5 minutes it'll be back to straight. So I wanted to try this out, and I've been seeing a lot of good results with this method, so I wanted to just try it out just for fun. So let's do it together. My hair is like it's not completely damp, or it's not completely wet, or it's not completely dry, so it's like in between. Okay, so I'm gonna just part my hair into 4 different sections. So I'm gonna part it like this first. This is because I have thick hair, so it's according to what you want. Like if you want like defined curls, do it in. Okay, I tried it before, like yesterday I tried it and I just got this beachy waves. So I'm gonna try it again. I'm just gonna do this portion first. So I'm doing this for the second time now. The first time it was a failure, so I'm gonna do this again and see. So with this, I went ahead and bought socks only for this, because all I had was angled socks, so I had to buy a new one. So what I'm gonna do is, so first you keep the sock here, and then you take one portion of your hair, one strand like this, and you twist it. And when you twist, take another strand and add to this hair and twist it again. And you take the open end like that and cover it like that. So once you're done, you can actually clip it to your head if you want, or just leave it like that. Okay, so I'm gonna take this portion now and do the same thing. Okay, now I have all this. I think I'll keep it for like 4 to 5 hours and come back and I'll show you guys. 4 to 5. I have so much oil on my face. I came directly from office and I'm filming this now because I can show you guys the result by 12 o'clock in the night, because after that I'll be very, very sleepy. So yeah, let's see. Hopefully I'll come back. Okay guys, so now it's like 4 to 5 hours, so I'm gonna remove it and see how it is. My god, I hope it worked, because I'm trying this for the second time. First time I just did two sections. Now I've done 4 sections, so I hopefully, and first time when I did it, my hair was dripping wet. Then I later on found out that it shouldn't be that wet. Your hair can be like 50% to 80% dry, and then you can do it, because otherwise it will be like very damp even when you remove it. So let's see. Okay. Oh my god, my hair is never this curly. This is heatless, mind you. My god. Okay, I'm happy. Okay, if this works now, I'm gonna rock my curly hair. Oh my god, can you guys see this? excited, sorry.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Look at this. Oh my god.
Oh my god, look at this. Okay, now what you have to do is just separate this from each other. And it's like less than 5 minutes work, and if you're doing it overnight you get much more good results is what I heard. I love it, I love it. Let me know in the comments down below if you liked it, and let me know if you're trying this out, and tag me on your photos if you're trying this out. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. I'm gonna do this a lot now. So this is how it looks from behind. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I'll see you guys in my next video. I'll try more things like this. Keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.